everybody, it's Neil, and I have some stinky Air Jordans, and the way they get stinky is because there's just no airflow and everything. And I have the solution here. This is a hot air shoe dryer. It works with shoes, ski boots, anything you want to dry with it. So let's see, just peel it open with my finger. And here we go. Let's check this out. And I'll show it to you. Okay, so here we are. So this is it. It's a pretty straightforward kind of concept of an item here. It's going to plug in, and then we are going to have the ability to dry. I don't know if my little power thing is going to support it. I have a little battery bed here, but I don't know if it puts out enough power. We'll try it and see. Type C, DC. Okay, there we go. Our AC is on. Okay, so this is it here. So we have a ozone timer mode. Oh, so there we go. So now we are at mode 1H. I guess low, medium, and high. 1 hour. Low, medium, and high. So there, we can do that. And the way these are kind of flexible little things. You can kind of put them, so if you have ski boots or something like that, you can just bend them down into there. I can put them into my shoes like this, and you see it's blowing the air in there, and then it'll just be like that. And so I can have my shoes being dried out. How sweet is that? What a cool concept this is. And I'm trying to do this here, sitting up like this, but here you go. Oh, I turned it off. Mode. There. So back on again. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. So you see, it's going to be there and it'll dry them out and keep them nice and toasty as well. So really cool little device here. It says SOTHING. And it's really easy to do. You just kind of stick them into the shoes and it will start blowing. It doesn't blow very fast, but it does blow. So, oh, here, I got it on 3 hours now. I guess I pushed a lot of buttons. So 1 hour. I don't know what, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, and it turned off. Okay, so it's going to automatically turn off after its preset time. And we have ozone settings and timer settings. So, oh, that's where we can set the time. Wow, we can have it going for 8 hours, 9 hours. We can go for 9 hours. And the ozone, we can set for, I guess, 1 hour of ozone 3, which I don't need to do that right now. But that's the cool little setup here. So that's it. It just easily plugs into the wall to make it go, and you are set to go to dry out your shoes. Great idea, especially with some stinky kids and stuff around here. This will be totally handy for sure. Thumbs up.